Hey guys, I'm making breakfast for the girls. Let's start cooking. You want to make cupcakes? They're not burnt. They're little. There's a little crunch to the pancakes.
No, babe. They're burnt.
I started putting peanut butter on Eliana's pancakes because one day when I did it to mine, she wanted it. I let her try it, and now that's the only way she eats pancakes. Another thing is we don't give the girls whole milk. We give them oat milk. I just feel like it's a little healthier for them. So we got eggs, we got our yogurt, we have the pancakes with some peanut butter on them, and then the fruit smoothie for the girls that they'll probably spend the next hour and a half trying to finish. And that's just a roundabout breakfast meal right there.
So grateful to have such an amazing partner. I told him I wasn't feeling really well. I just started my cycle, guys. I haven't had it for a year. Actually, technically 2 years because I was pregnant. When I'm breastfeeding, I never get my period. If you're exclusively breastfeeding, you don't get your period. At least for me. I'm still exclusively breastfeeding Alicia, even though she's like 1 year old. But for some reason, I got my cycle, and I think it's because I've been working out a lot lately. I was working out 3 times a week, but I've been working out 5 times a week now. My friend's a trainer and she's been training me in the gym on Monday and Fridays for like glutes. So I'm pretty sure that's what triggered my cycle. Obviously, I haven't had my cycle for 2 years, so these cramps are like kicking my butt. I feel like these cramps hurt more than going into labor. Elijah actually let me open an early Mother's Day gift. He got me this device where it heats up and it also sends like electric currents. I'm pretty sure I'm not using the right term. It doesn't vibrate, but it like feels like it's like massaging you, like twisting you a little bit right here while heating up. And it's meant for like when you're having cramps, and it's really great. I personally don't like taking Midol. I heard it's so bad for you. Other than that, the little device that he got me has been helping a lot, and you can like wear it around. Like I could wear it right now if I wanted to. I started keeping all my makeup in this makeup bag that Elijah got me. We've been doing a trip every single month, so it's just easier to just zip this up and go. Hi guys. What are you guys doing here?
Learning to play with new toys. I thought I'd open the KiwiCo crates.
I feel like you guys hear me talk about this all the time because, you know, as a mom, I'm always looking for fun ways to play at home. And you guys already know I am a firm believer that learning is through play. We just gifted the girls KiwiCo crates for their birthdays, and it's hands down one of our favorite things to do together as a family. We have loved KiwiCo since Eliana. It has made me feel confident as a mama knowing that my girls are playing with toys that are developmentally appropriate for their age. It's great that you can preview each crate before purchasing, and the Panda crates are curated for every stage in your little one's development, ranging from 0 to 36 months. Each crate contains 2 months worth of product, and I find the Wander Play Guide to be very helpful. There's a DIY play lab, so activities that you can do at home, and it has a lot of information about your child's development and what to expect during that age. So parents, if you want to make play more fun in the house, you can click the link in my description box and use my code to get 20% off your first crate. Thank you to KiwiCo for sponsoring today's video. Right now, Ellie's doing the jungle tree stacker, and then here's the directions. She can start with stacking and balancing. I also love the try this. It tells you like how you can turn this into a game or different ways to play with it. So it says make it into a game by taking turns adding the animals to the tree. There you go.
Here you go.
Wow, my turn. Ellie, how many monkeys are on the tree?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Alicia's really good with like hand and eye coordination, so I know she's gonna love this. Good job, that's yellow. Good job. Can you move the pink over here? Can you do that? Peekaboo! Can you do peekaboo? Ready? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! And peekaboo! Good job! For some reason, my car's audio is not working, and it hasn't been working for like the past 2 days.
All right, so my wife just asked me the most daunting question a wife can ask a husband, and that is, where do you want to eat? So I can suggest a few restaurants, and then she'll say no, and then she'll suggest, what about this restaurant? So watch this. I would like to eat at Hot Walk. And then this one will say, no, that's not good. And then I'll suggest, what about Subway? What about Subway?
Why don't we just let the kids decide now where we eat? Ellie, do you want to eat at Green Papaya?
Yeah.
Do you even know what that is?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food? What do you like to eat?
Chicken.
You like chicken.
Or do you want like Chick-fil-A and we can like eat in the car as a family?
This is the next level of how this goes. We'll agree on a restaurant, almost there, and then she'll be like, but what if we do this restaurant instead?
Oh, we could eat pub subs from Publix.
Okay.
That sounds pretty good.
So here's the next level. Remember what I told you guys earlier that there might be a place that she suggests is, right? Watch this. That sounds really good. I might actually just do that. I think that sounds good. We could do that.
I could eat sushi, to be honest. Let's go to Green Papaya then.
Okay.
The new boba place opened up next door. Do you want to go there? They have ramens. Obviously, you don't want ramen. But it just opened up and their boba's really good. Their sushi. We can do sushi burrito or a poke bowl. And then they have boba. We have finally decided that we're gonna eat at Chick-fil-A. We were gonna go to Green Papaya, but then we turned around and Alicia was asleep. So we're just gonna go to the drive-thru and then eat in the car.
I want takeaway.
You like chicken?
Yeah.
You like chicken or French fries?
French fries.
Okay. Are you gonna pay for our food today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's your money?
Where's your money?
They can't have money.
My lunch today, I got a deluxe sandwich. I've actually never had a Chick-fil-A sandwich until we were moving into our new house, and Elijah accidentally ordered me a sandwich instead of the nuggets that I usually order. I now only order the sandwich. Comment below, do you like Chick-fil-A fries more or McDonald's? I like McDonald's better. Chick-fil-A fries or McDonald's fries?
Arby's fries. Exquisite.
You're eliminated. We just got this huge PR package and I have no clue what's inside. What is it?
It's a picture frame.
Oh my goodness. What brand sent this? I need to know. This is such a cute package.
You got this, Mom.
Mommy.
Aww.
Mama.
Ellie.
Yeah.
We're going to the beach.
It's from Walmart? Oh my gosh.
$100 gift card.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go to Walmart. What does it say?
Hey Keela, on the mother of all days, Walmart is stepping up as the mother of all savings memberships. So naturally we had to make things extra special for an amazing mom like you.
Aww.
All right.
Oh, okay, Walmart. Coming through with the wipes.
Right, we were running low too. Holly Jackson book, A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Olé. Indulgent Moisture Coffee Ground.
Oh, wow, Walmart
Coffee
coming
grind.
through with the coffee. What flavor?
This is Bright and Balanced Medium Roast. Oh wow, you have a lot of stuff.
Wow, they sent a lot. Oh my gosh.
Says Moms Answer Moms.
Oh, Walmart.
Glow away, own way. Is this pickleball? That'd be so funny.
If that is pickleball,
It's
we're gonna go
pickleball.
play pickleball today.
It's pickleball.
Stop. Okay, you wanna play pickleball today?
Your own beach terrace.
That's really convenient because I actually need a new razor. Guys, my legs are so hairy right now. What is that? Ooh, another beach towel.
Oh, and a mini Stanley.
Stop. Wait, what is
It's
that?
not a Stanley, but it's a tumbler. I mean,
Oh my gosh, that's
Like,
so cute.
one of the girls.
I've always wanted to try that brand out.
oh, candle.
Wow, you're just still like digging for more stuff in there.
Oh,
Let me
smells like Skittles. Nice, thank you, Walmart. Even though it's not for me.
Oh my goodness, what's going on over here? Comment below who you guys think is gonna win this rock, paper, scissors. 2 out of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Yeah! Mommy won.
Okay, he got. It's a mommy. He got wait.
What?
Get ice cream.
You want to get ice cream?
Yeah.
What kind of animal do you want?
Cow.
A cow? You want a pet cow?
Yeah.
Oh, but isn't it daddy a cow?
Yes. They moo.
Moo.
It's a cow.
Good job.
It's a cow.
Hey, do you love your sissy now? Do you love
Yes.
that? They love each other now.
For now.
Me and Ellie are gonna make a poppin' cookin'. We've been watching RR Cherry Pie on YouTube. So we're gonna make donuts today. You ready?
That's my sprinkle.
Yeah, it's sprinkles. So we got both the doughs. What's your favorite dessert, ice cream or donut?
Ice cream.
You like ice cream more?
Yeah. Is there a dinosaur?
There's a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Where? Is that your favorite animal, a dinosaur?
A dinosaur on the cow.
Oh, there's a dinosaur on your couch?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Nope, it's not here on the couch. Yeah, a dinosaur outside.
Oh, okay. Put it right there. Good job. Which donut do you want? Which one? Pick one. Which one do you want?
What this?
Strawberry, vanilla, or chocolate?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Okay, we'll put some strawberry there. Should I put sprinkles on mine too?
Okay.
Cheers.
You gotta eat the donut, okay?
Good job. That tastes good. You did a good job, Ellie.
This is watching everybody. Bye-bye. I do a kiss.
Thank you.